Face to face, you may initiate say ya. Yeni a month for a boat in Punimpu, you know, much in Como, if or more life story, any experiences go on ya. So now, what was you know, won't so bet me Asian be a few. Internet face to face, no, I be playing ya Bema be so. But before I met Danny Dino, the person you try a hoba, 9 action come. Yasansu mamunyina akwaba makacha mnada face to face program we see ye share amount for eno mo mpunimpu na eno mo din komo ye share mo face what they going omoko like they are going through experiences ene nyama bia otumo say omo be share na ebeboa wa so wo hwe no na kai say Osaberima kojo PC ene medi no fe Osaberima nso a me ye okay social media handles no Osaberima media how click here na wa subscribe bi say na bia ye post ya onya bi. And so I share Oko Instagram name 2 official Facebook OSM TV GH Sanity. And so me maminia Cyril Odini ade Cyril Hills Akwaba Cyril Hills. Hey edino evina bai how what is also one to teach.
Yeah, me say that teach
so it's for now me dey ka fra no
me fra
na be fra live.
Nti Cyril no nyankasa
me. Yes.
Yeah, but I'm more SHS no. Like I was trying to put this challenge on myself that nobody will overcome me.
Okay.
So I thought it was to give hills as in the mountain.
Yes. So that was top.
So before you get to that level, like, it's very difficult for you to get to that level. You go through some challenges and so that's.
So it was a name of wow farmer.
Hills no me the car. Cyril no.
But he will never open the mouth.
David.
Okay. Is the same in Nankasai?
At the hoop.
Cyril.
Diankasai at the hoop. Cyril. Gideon.
Oh, you name?
Yeah.
Wow. Cyril and the hoop. Junior.
You can mix it.
Okay. So the hills become like a guy name or something. Yeah. I think it's not bad. Schoolmen also call it.
They call Gymnas.
I mean, see that.
That's in the right because in high school. It's in
Voter region. Okay. So at the whole your one of a school. Because when we teach school in India. Voter so that. Cyril. My main cash for say Cyril and Chin common. Members of the work and you know now because we say our media space. So what do you do before we come to the main issue on board?
Yeah, right now we are MCR.
We are MCR.
EGMT.
Okay.
And I'm also into upcoming and a whole lot that I can.
Upcoming YouTuber. And also a MCR or EGMT. Or your production like movie name.
Yeah.
Editing, flyer.
Direction to I direct movies and I handle camera.
You handle camera, direct movies. You do
I have my own production.
Okay.
We are now coming up.
Small. You do graphic design.
Yeah, I do graphics.
Okay. I mean, it's a production. It was most of the production works.
Yeah, but right now, me fan too much yet because I'm still I'm still
upcomer.
So I don't want to take that title like I am.
Okay.
Now coming.
You are yet to be.
I'm yet to be.
Okay, so I go straight to the point. This issue about coming son, a friend is saying the boss will become filler. Just say, once a day, the na issue a far branches Cyril will be at the ascending. And so yes, no, my friend, like me, it didn't come on. Or so who at the problem country was me kind of one, but it's matching one. Once me so sorry if you are going to say about into Becca. Now, you know, him say there's some English word, your friend broken heart. Yes, Cyril, edit about you, the ultimate Cyril, Bonoka, or Penal style baby. Just who get a card and nothing. Way upon a cow bonina, get a jam. And so let me be our band on my information is a Charlie or send me interview Cyril on this broken heart issue. Cyril, broken heart, true or false?
It's true.
True. Wow,
Yeah,
wow.
it's true.
Broken heart. I come on which is your tears, you're broken heart.
Like I say, when you're breaking hearts, but like, by the help of some of my colleagues at work,
You are trying to recover.
So very soon,
Okay. Before we go to the bar, like broken heart, and how is the feeling like? Like what's the experience? Who go through broken heart? Like
any issue. Like,
what are almost 6,009?
No, and that for me. Oh, seriously, like you would think another 2 is at the back, so we'll bet you at 22 cry.
Swine.
But it's 2.
It's two.
Like, I don't know. Easy cry. And to me, it's dangerous.
Dangerous.
Yeah, because when when it started, a lot of things were coming into my mind. Yeah, like poison,
Hey.
but I was also thinking of something. I was also thinking about my family and my friends, and so I was like, those kind of things. And as I said earlier on, by the help of my colleagues at work and those stuff, so when I'm getting over it, small. So when it is that form.
Okay. So it's been how many days now? That Ben and booking out in see.
Medium fresh.
Fresh.
Oh, fresh.
It's
Like,
2 days comes by. 2 days in.
Yeah, 2 days today.
Okay. Then I buy. Or buy Ben I will dating. Now then I buy. Or see
Or
what.
band mean to me friend like that.
Okay.
Like I started dating the girl and we were there. Like everything was moving on well. But she was also working.
Try to raise your voice now, Kakana.
Okay. So she was also working. But every time, yeah, I can see like a girl. She's behaving strange.
What's his sign?
On like what she's doing things that she's supposed not to do or she have not been doing. And I'm a type of person like I study you very well and I tell you what you're doing is not good. So I told her this date's like persistent. It's a day no cause of issue cause we need and see. Into my home the friend and I can see action. So the girl was like, okay, she also puts her eye time looking at the girl. Into a course and one day, I don't be free. I make a chance. The girl, I catch and see on me.
But now for now,
the girl, I down for no. I catch and see. Nini friend, which is my girl, I catch and see on me. Now I was like, like if you don't love me, then why did I propose to you and you accepted and you were there doing things here and there?
You were there for how many years?
Oh, and you 2 years. Yeah, like some months. I can't give you the specific list.
But it will be about 5 months.
I can't give you the specific.
Okay. By more than 3 months.
I said I can't.
I want to.
What you are trying to do right now? You want to like
the mommy, but is it about 3 months?
I can see.
You can see.
Yes.
But months. Okay.
To get an summer.
Alright,
so like she started behaving strange and those things, and one day the girl told me, the friend told me, the girl told me she doesn't love me.
Okay.
And I was like, okay, fine. I also put my eyes on looking at things. That was when the thing started. Because what she was doing, the way she started behaving, and things that, and what the girl also told me, and I said, okay, fine. So every time, yeah, like a lot of things went on, which I can.
You can
say over here. I can disclose them over here. But all of a sudden, like one day, the girl told me, her friend told me, my girlfriend is having a boyfriend, this and that, and like baby, I think baby.
I wouldn't want us to waste much time on this topic, but I had an issue. The girl said you were a Game Boy, and she didn't like it. It's not a second jai. And I also never said game you do my. It was like a game in a money. Would be a Game Boy. Girl named and I also said on a bay. If you are not in Jawa, and I said, "No, so then I will finish a while in Jawa."
Osaberima.
Yes, that.
Okay, see yes that.
And I mean, can you say?
Okay, game na sema. If you ask me, I would say that we shouldn't bring that game issue into this.
Game na sema.
Yeah, we
But
talk
I
about
confirm, were you a Game Boy, or you were trying to be?
I'm not a Game Boy.
Okay. Then it's me find that the girl cannot control.
Yeah, or chantro. Maybe only BB.
And she thought
Because I used to live my life like
on internet.
Game Boys.
Game
I used
Boys,
to live my life like actually I was having friends, those kind of things. I used to live my life like So beside me one day and I'm catching see like I out of anger and I'm catching see So that's maybe but I don't think that's the reason why
okay, so out of anger you told her say
I'm
you
a
were
Game Boy.
Exactly. Okay.
So I don't think that's the reason why she wanted to. Maybe she was having her own personal something, which I said earlier on, length or the T guy, which means she was cheating.
So when you asked her, what did she tell you actually?
One cash.
Wow.
And through her actions and what the friend is also telling me, what have been telling me, like if you are someone, you have to be, let me say, alert or vigilant.
Yeah. Very
so you don't need a pastor or a prophet to come and tell you that, or you don't need a girl herself to come and stand in front of you and tell you that I'm cheating on you. But because of the things that are going on, things that you are hearing, and not hearing from other people, but someone close to her. Yeah, so bound to so broken heart in there like
okay.
And they are actually like a common
Ebusia interview near anything, very short until a year up here. So, Cyril, my last question, last two questions. Siciano, everything she said, girl, no, so Siciano means a money hobby. Because according to what you were saying, or catching a down for, another down for the catch here. So, has a girl herself told you, Anna marketing, and
no, the girl herself, for me, if you ask me, I will tell you, I'm waiting for her to come and tell me that we should quit.
Or make country,
like she's yet to tell me. I don't know what she's waiting for, but she always call me and tell me that or Dominia did what I say. So like I have broken heart. Yes, I said earlier on that don't wait for someone or the girl herself to come and tell you that they will be in here.
Okay.
But what is going on and what you are hearing and what you are seeing and things. So we train, but to me right now, if you ask me, any name 50-50.
So what would broken hearts? What would you say?
Like I cried like a coming fine. Seriously, the whole day cry like I find it difficult to eat and those kind of things. Like I've been hearing it when you're okay and but I experience it myself now.
Okay, so now let's take it this way. So again on the back, the catcher will say, truly, she was cheating about your fashion. You should move on with her.
Yeah, I will accept her if only I found out that she did not go out and have sex with the guy that he was cheating.
But then when she comes and tells you, say, I was cheating, definitely some intimate also. On the panada, definitely. And also, I don't find channel. So now see home India, you say, a bad home.
A wedding.
Oh,
I made dream.
Do you truly love her?
Oh, I truly love her.
Wow.
Oh, I love her very
much.
much.
Or a day, so you are even, or no, a day.
Or no, a free East region.
Oh, I say more. Broken hearts. Mediocre graduate on the South border from us. What was it? I don't know. Or no, say, I can't tell. A busia interviewing Until we're trying to short. Cyril, do you have any last words you want to tell viewers? Now you're happy up.
Yeah, what I would like to say is, see, like relationship, and a womb. So if you want to go into a relationship, sit down, think very well, and take the right person, so that you don't go through what I went through or what I'm going through right now. And please be very careful. Girls, they are dangerous. Like them go pepper you. Them go pepper you. So that's what you will catch
that is what you will catch the action for. So to say yes. I like the word or say them go pepper you. When you're careful and them go pepper you. Cyril, drop since you are into media space and definitely you have since you are upcoming YouTube and so you have social media handles. Since you know, let's get to your social media handle so we can all start following you.
Yeah, you can follow me on Instagram as @I am_Cyril Hills. Facebook Cyril Hills. And Twitter. Yeah, at Cyril Hills 1. And WhatsApp too, you can WhatsApp me on 05547710993. 05547710993. So you can get me on all social media.
I would like you to repeat. It was me, a family. So, also Instagram here.
Instagram here. @I am_Cyril Hills.
@I am_Cyril Hills. Yeah. Instagram. And on YouTube.
YouTube here. Cyril Hills.
Cyril Hills. Okay.
Now, so who searches Cyril Hills Trending Hour? My content, the name of the content is Cyril Hills Trending Hour.
Okay.
So
Cyril Hills Trending Hour.
Yeah.
Okay. On YouTube.
You got 3 and Cyril Hills 1.
Cyril Hills 1.
Yeah. Facebook, yes, Cyril Hills.
Alright.
And I'm WhatsApp, so yeah, 05547710993. 05547710993. So you can get me on all social media platforms.
Alright, so that is the WhatsApp number. The vacancy is still open. Yes. And you know what's happening now when they brother show. Ye diagonal this instead interview no ABC has seen. Say they be American or your artist who play along like the art industry or you have personal experience you want to share. Number at the screen so WhatsApp number no nebuki. We'll just pass you through the interview. Now also share WhatsApp. Now and I say you have something in your pocket, you feel so with me as sponsor face to face to media now. Where face to face interview, you shall see one-on-one in Wakasa. We'll be for the same WhatsApp number. Na text na best sponsor na interview and come on. Me first that Emma McHugh producer ba ope. Your friend Ashley. The bro for the Hunda I say Ashley Chooks. Friend the Dini Campo de me Huni Dino. Your friend Ashley Nana, my friend Ashley Chooks. Say a question to my producer Ashley, Anna and me DOP, me Eddie, OKESAA, okay, me DOP, okay, Anna, Yimakaya, Dubana Yimaye, Minkai, Yimazo Kakuda Simpu, okay, Yimayam sound, yes, Yimayam sound. Into me faster than Emma Munina, Osaberima Kuju. PSC, any meeting, while we need here. The show from Osaberima, you're okay. But when you are subscribing to the channel, following all the social media, Instagram, Lim2 official, Lim2_official, Lim2_official, Instagram, Facebook, OSMTVGH, Oba YouTuber, Osaberima Media. Videos ever drop here and it's never on Cyber Company. I shall intimidate me here. I may do my best and so